Let's take a look at this problem. We got negative 9 over 22 divided by 15 over negative 8. Okay. First step. We never actually divide. We immediately rewrite as multiplication. So how we do that is the division symbol becomes times, and we flip the second fraction, take a reciprocal of it. So top goes to bottom, bottom goes to top. So this will become negative 8 over 15. Well, then we're going to multiply. So first step in multiplying is to simplify. Now, to begin with, a negative times a negative is positive, so I can just drop the negatives. So I know that's what I'm going to have in the end anyway. Guideline in simplifying is if you can divide a number up on top and the bottom by the same number, do so. And I see 9 and 15. These are both divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 3 over 22 times 8 over 5. Still can do a little bit of simplifying. 22 and 8, they're both divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So we're left with 3 over 11 times 4 over 5. Doesn't look like I can simplify anything further, so I go on to my last step. Step 3 says to multiply the top parts together. 3 times 4 is 12. Multiply the bottom parts together. 11 times 5 is 55. So 12/55 is our answer. Now let's see how to put this into the calculator. It's a little bit trickier in the calculator than it has in some previous problems. When you're dividing two fractions on your calculator, and this may not be true with all models of the T83, 84. I think some of the newer versions of the T84 you may not need to do this. But the key is put parentheses around the first fraction, put parentheses around the second fraction, and that's how you'll enter it in. So we got beginning parentheses, negative 9 divided by 22, closing parentheses divided by beginning parentheses 15 divided by negative 8, closing parentheses, and helps if I actually type that incorrectly. That should be 15, not 18. Okay, there we go. So, and then enter. And then you do math, enter. And that gives you 12 over 55. Now let me do it again without screwing that up so you have the right buttons. Okay, beginning parentheses, negative 9 over 22. Okay, it's just too early in the morning. Let me try one more time. Beginning parentheses, negative 9 divided by 22. Closing parentheses divided by beginning parentheses. I will get this without screwing it up. 15 divided by negative 8. Closing parentheses, enter. Get a decimal, then you do math, enter. There we go. So 12 over 55 is our answer.